Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Beginner's Guide to Python. In this lesson we're going to look at why learn Python. What are some of the compelling reasons why you want to learn this language? So let's go ahead and take a look. So for our first reason, if this is your first language you're going to learn, or if it's one of many languages you've already programmed in, Python is easy to understand. The syntax is easy to read. It's very close to the English language syntax, and there's really good online documentation. So whether this is your first language or again, you're picking up something else, the Python syntax is very easy to understand and it'll be very quick for you to pick up. So the number two reason for why you'd want to learn Python is the online community. Python is open source and there are lots of third-party libraries and tools that are out there, and there's a very active development community. So if you run into some kind of bug or problem, there are tons of places you can go out and get help from a lot of active programmers that are online and willing to help. So that's the number two reason of why you would want to learn Python. The third reason you'd want to learn Python is flexibility. You can develop websites with products like Flask or Django, and I've put the link for Django on there. You can write OS automation scripts, you can write serverless functions in places like AWS Lambda, AI and machine learning applications. All of the major cloud vendors, AWS, GCP, and Azure, readily support Python in all kinds of ways. So if you're looking for a really flexible programming language that can adapt to most any use case, Python is pretty much it. It's a very flexible language and you can use it for a lot of different applications. So if I haven't convinced you yet, the number one reason for learning Python is it's the number one language in demand in the market today in 2021. There are tons of jobs available in the market for Python programmers and people that have Python development skills. That's really it for this lesson. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Thank you for your interest in this video. If you like this material, please click the like button. If you want to see more material like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for now. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.